Alright, just a bit of a tip here. Got this in the middle of decorating. Got this toilet roll holder that's rather loose because the roll plugs are pulling out the wall. I've already changed them once before for bigger ones, so let's sort it. 2 minutes. Right, so as you can see, I've already had the issue before, so I've re-drilled and repositioned the wall plugs. The only problem is it's a breeze block wall, so that's quite tight onto there. So what I'm going to use now is a bit of instant grab adhesive. Sometimes silicone works. Excuse me. Just give it a bit of a helping hand. So they're glued in. With the holes filled with glue. And there we have it. Flush to the wall again. Job done.